beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, ram.
This is a local area emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. There are large, damaged animatronics walking around and killing anyone they see by ripping them apart or biting their torso off. Due to this, the Pink concert is postponed due to this situation. Wait a minute, I just got word that Pink was saved by her manager and family, and they're fleeing to Tokyo, Japan to perform there. One of the animatronics are identified as Nightmare Balloon Boy. Nightmare Balloon Boy has really good eyesight, and he will not move when a flashlight of any kind hits him with its bright beam. If you see Nightmare Balloon Boy, shine your flashlight on him to make him stop moving temporarily to buy you some time to escape him. We will keep you updated. This is a law enforcement warning. Residents of Boston, lock all windows and doors immediately. These animatronics are still breaking into people's homes and killing anybody inside. The animatronics have all been identified. Their names are Nightmare Freddy, he is a brown bear animatronic, has red monster-like eyes, has a black top hat, razor-sharp teeth and claws, and wears a black bow tie. The second is Nightmare Bonnie, he is a purple bunny, razor-sharp claws and teeth, wears a red bow tie and has purple eyes. The third is Nightmare Chica. She is a yellow chicken animatronic, has razor-sharp teeth and claws, holds Nightmare Cupcake who also has razor-sharp teeth, has one blue eye, and one red eye. The fourth is Nightmare Foxy, he is a red fox, has razor-sharp teeth and claws, has a pirate hook on his left hand, and his eye patch is lifted from his left eye. The last two are identified as Nightmare Fredbear and Nightmare. They look very similar to Nightmare Freddy, but Nightmare has black fur and a yellow top hat. Nightmare Fredbear looks awful similar to Nightmare Freddy as well, but has orange fur and has a purple top hat and bow tie. These animatronics are extremely dangerous. If you are any of these animatronics, get away from them immediately as they will brutally decapitate anybody they see. Gather enough food, water, medical supplies, blankets, pillows, toiletries, other hygiene supplies, and a battery-powered radio to last you the duration of this emergency. We will keep you updated on this dangerous situation.
Breaking news. The Nightmare animatronics are still breaking into people's homes and killing anybody inside. Holy cow. I think I see Nightmare Chica. Turn on the emergency alert system now.
drama, love, and innocent eye. And the show you may find like a runaway. Not a sin to see, not one in the three. So let them dream as should be, cause we all wanna believe in the feeling and repeating. Yeah, even love won't save you when you're running from the scene. Pain and meaning, no relieving. Just wanna cry, cry, cry. My baby, my life is showing death to never be beneath the line. My baby, my life in the spread that I breathe to always shine bright. To adorn you, illuminate you. To adore you, a ruminate to feel I never lose, it's true.
This is a civil danger warning. This message is transmitted at the request of the President of the United States to participate in the emergency alert system. At approximately 1:35 a.m. Eastern Time, Nightmare Foxy has escaped Massachusetts borders and is now in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Nightmare Chica was destroyed by the Big Guns. Wait. I just got word that there is a new Big Guns member. Their name is Marionette, otherwise known as Puppet from Five Nights at Freddy's. Puppet just killed Nightmare Balloon Boy and transformed him into regular Balloon Boy. Still stay indoors. Nightmare Freddy, Nightmare Fredbear, Nightmare, and Nightmare Foxy are still alive. Stay tuned for updates on this serious situation.
Breaking news. Daniel was killed by Nightmare Chica an hour ago and Nightmare Chica cut off the 911 line. A police officer or two will arrive at your home for assistance during this emergency. The military is trying really hard to defeat the nightmares. Then 2 minutes later, the 911 line came back on. This is a catastrophic situation. We will keep you updated.
This is an emergency action notification. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this message. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public at assigned areas. This is 107.3 FM. We will be discontinuing programming. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. It is important that we listen to information in your local area.
The following message is transmitted at the request of myself and the United States government. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. At approximately 3:46 a.m. Eastern Time, the Nightmare animatronics from Five Nights at Freddy's 4 are attacking and killing civilians. The Big Guns and the military were all killed by the Nightmare animatronics, and the Nightmare animatronics will end humanity in at least a week. There is nothing else we can do. You should now gather your loved ones to prepare for our final moments together. There is no need to stay calm. Go into panic mode. We will conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system with our national anthem. This concludes our broadcast.